Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Healthy, crispy, crunchy, chocolate stuffed veg balls, sweet, spicy, no ginger, no garlic, and anytime snacks. Almond stuffed chocolate nuggets by a famous Portuguese brand. And let's semi-freeze or chill them. And these are the vegetables that you can take: capsicum, cauliflower, cabbage, peas, green chilies, steamed or boiled corn, onion, or any other as per as your choice, and roughly chop and blend to a coarse and a rather grainy finish. Let's see, this is how it should look like. Now when done, offload the mix onto a sieve or a strainer and set it on a bowl. Why? Let me show you why. Because now we press the mix, force the water out of it till the mix is almost dry. And this is very important. Look at that, so much of water. And all this water is nutrient laden. And now don't throw this water away. You can always use it in your veg or non-veg stew, gravy, curry dish, as it contains all the nutrients. So don't throw it away. And that is how our mix should be. Add carom seeds as per as your taste. Now along with that, Himalayan rock salt, or you can add any natural salt again as per as your taste. And red chili powder again as per as your taste. And when done, add gram flour, 35 grams or 2 tablespoons. Add them slowly one by one and mix well. Now when done, rice flour 1 tablespoon is enough. Add and mix again. When done, cling wrap and set aside in a fridge till ready to be cooked or fried. Now bring out the semi-frozen and super chilled chocolate nuggets. Take adequate amount of vegetable mix. Place a chocolate nugget in the center and roll it into a tight ball. This is how it should be done. So I am showing you one at the normal speed of the video, and there. Now continue to roll the rest of the vegetable mix and chocolate nuggets into tight balls too, like this, one after the other, till the mix is exhausted. And I have made 7 of them. There we are. Now take a plate, line it with any paper tissue, paper napkin, kitchen towel, absorbent or blotting paper, and the heat comes on, the skillet comes on or the kadai comes on, the oil is added. When hot, add the chocolate nugget stuffed vegetable mix balls slowly one by one, and do not overcrowd, and maintain safety from the hot oil. Don't get burned. Now all the 7 balls very squarely fit into the oil. Half in, half out technique is what I am using for frying. Now after this, to ensure that the snacks are cooked right till inside, reduce the heat from half to 1/3. Flip, roll each ball occasionally till each one are evenly browned, cooked on all sides and very crisp. Most important, cooked right till the middle, till the center. That is the most important. Continue. There we are. Look at that beautiful color. When done, switch off the heat and bring out the balls one by one from the vessel, but do allow time to the hot oil to drop back into the kadai and offload these balls onto the paper lined plate or the tray and allow the excess of the oil to be absorbed by the paper. Repeat with all the balls. There. Give it a little time. When the balls go dry, look, they're almost dry now. No oil on them. Plate with any sauce or dip or chutney if you wish. And once done, serve with any beverage, hot, cold, soft or hard, aerated or carbonated, natural or factory processed, any beverage of your choice. And remember to enjoy with all, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.